Oh my God. Amazing. You guys, today we're making Tuscan chicken soup, or it's Marry Me chicken soup. I'm sure you've seen it all over the socials. It's very viral, but I'm excited to show you my version of it today. So you're gonna need onions, garlic, tomato paste, sun-dried tomatoes, shredded chicken, parmesan, heavy cream, spinach, chicken broth, macaroni shells, and lots of seasoning, of course, salt, pepper, garlic powder, Italian seasoning. Let's get started. Denver, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna get our chicken broth in, and you're gonna want this to come to a boil. Okay, we wait. We're gonna add the chicken, the parmesan, Italian seasoning, the heavy cream. This is gonna be so good. All right, we're gonna add a little salt and pepper, a little bit of spinach. I love sneaking in spinach where I can. It's just a great way to sneak in some greens for your kids. It's time. We're gonna add a little bit of cheese because you have to add a little cheese. That is unbelievable. People are gonna lose their minds over this one. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.